Code D, Part 3 of 14, Parker O-ring. Create a new file. Select model template. Select the unit inches. Enter the name. Parker O-ring. Click OK. Create a sketch. Select XY plane. Click OK. Draw a circle of diameter 0.49 inches. Decrease the dimension text. Finish the sketch. Create a sketch. Select the YZ datum plane. Click OK. Now select include. Select intersection point. Select this curve. Click OK. Now draw a circle with this center. Enter the diameter 0.07 inches. Finish the sketch. Now by keep along guide. By default, our last section is selected. Select the guide curve. Select our previous sketch. Click OK. Right click. Orient view to trimetric. Hide the sketches. Save the file. File. Close. All parts. This completes Code D Part 3 of 14 Parker O-ring.